I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a Rolls-Royce Phantom Limousine to Grand Theft Auto V. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to driving your luxurious new ride in-game. This guide will help you navigate the modding process, ensuring you can enjoy custom vehicles with ease. Get ready to transform your virtual garage and cruise the streets in style. Before we begin, you'll need a few key tools. First, download OpenRoman 4, which allows you to access and modify game files. Next, get Script-Hook V and a trainer, like Native Trainer or Menu, to spawn vehicles in-game. Finally, locate a reliable Rolls-Royce Phantom mod file from a trusted modding website. Ensure all downloads are compatible with your current game version. Now let's install the mod. Open OpenRoman 4 and click Edit Mode at the top. This enables modifications. Next, navigate to the specified game path, usually within the mods folder, then update x64 DLC packs. Create a new folder for your mod if needed, and drag the mod files into it. Remember to update the DLClist XML file to register your new vehicle. With the mod installed, launch Grand Theft Auto V. Once in-game, activate your trainer, typically by pressing a specific key like F8. Navigate through the trainer's menu to the vehicle spawner or spawn vehicle option. Find the Rolls-Royce Phantom by its model name, which is usually provided in the mod's instructions. Select it, and your new limousine will appear, ready for you to drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.